cannot find the lid, or you have a lid and cannot find the container. Hi everyone, this is Jaya. So today we are going to see how to organize a drawer or a cabinet for empty containers. So normally what we do is we store our empty containers by closing the lids of the containers and stacking them on top of each other. So now the problem that we face with this style of organizing is that first it takes a lot of space, then it is not convenient to remove the one that we want since they are stacked and it gets very messy soon. Also, you must have noticed that though these containers are washed properly, but sometimes the smell of the previous food still remains since we keep the lids closed. So in this video, I am going to show you a different method of storing containers that I have been following, which I find very practical. So let us see.
दिसत नाही by the way.
So to organize this, what we are going to do first is we are going to separate the lids and the containers. So you have to remove all the lids separate, keep them separate, and the containers separate. So let us do that first. So now we have separated the containers and the lids of each container. Okay, and what I have done is these are the tiffin boxes of my kids and my husband. So I have kept them with the lid itself. So now it's very simple. We don't need anything much fancy or anything to organize this. We just need baskets. If you have empty baskets at home, we are going to need these baskets to organize this empty containers. So what we are going to do is that in one basket we will be organizing all the lids of all the containers. So I have taken this little bigger thing which can fit in the lids of all the containers. So what we are going to do is we will organize these lids in this box. So this is how we can organize all the lids container, one box or a basket. And what we are going to do is, as per the space available, we can use these baskets to store some other thing. So I'm going to use this box. I have this box, so we'll use this box to store the bottles which I have. So this is how we can store the bottles in the box or baskets. So now let's see how we can organize all this in this drawer. This is a drawer where I usually keep all the empty containers. So, and what we have to do is this empty containers, the containers without lids can just go, you can just stack them inside each other. So this the advantage of this is that it will take very less space, because if we cover it with the lid and stack it, then it takes a lot of place in the cabinet and it always becomes very messy every time. So this becomes easier, so you can just stack them as per the categories. Now, so all the plastic, the Tupperware boxes I can stack. Then these are the glass containers that I have the same size, so you can stack them. This tiffin boxes, so they can just go. So this is how you can see stack them. So and the most important thing is, we usually have lot of these containers. These are the ones that we get with the food that we order. So, and most of us have an habit of keeping this. Yes, even I do, but I keep some of them. So what I do is I usually try to keep them in a separate place, rather than keeping it in a drawer where we usually have our regular containers, because these are not something that we are going to use for our daily use. So this can go in a separate place. But if you have a cabinet and if there is a place for this, you can, yes, definitely keep it there also.
So this is how I have organized my empty containers. I have kept the lids and the containers separate. I have kept the plastic, the steel and the glass containers separately. You will also notice that the tiffin boxes are being stored with the lids as it is convenient for me. In this way, it is easy for me to access the containers that I need. So, this is how I have organized the empty container drawer. You may notice it looks more organized and practical, and it will not get messy soon.
So this is how you can organize the empty container drawer or a cabinet in your house. Believe me, this will not take more than 15 minutes for you to organize your drawer. But after organizing this, you will be very happy to see the organized drawer, and also believe me, you will save lot of time for looking for the empty containers or the lids when you need them. So do share the photos of your organized drawer, the empty container drawer, with me in my comment box. I will be very happy to see them. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay organized.